are for day 2 of our Memorial Weekend race or races. So we are on Saturday now. First one was last night, Friday night. Had a mellow car count, but it still had some excellent racing. The track was absolutely awesome. Looks like it stayed pretty tacky the whole night. He scraped it off during the intermission and pretty much made a nice new track. So, but something that kind of happened. Don't know if you can see it, but there's some tire tracks that go on out over there, and you can see there's a little black mark. Yeah, there's a car that went over and hit over there. As far as we know, they were okay. They wound up driving back out onto the track. So I'm going to assume that they were okay without much issues. So you can see we actually got a few more people here down at this end. We've got 1 or 2 more cars down here. Got another one here. Who remembers them old cartoons? Is that Looney Tunes? I forget which one that one was. I love them old cartoons. See the kids out here playing. That's what you gotta love about auto racing. It's really a family sport. Something that I kind of noticed, you have to keep kind of an eye out. This is a duo. I don't know if they're running 2 separate drivers or the same driver, just 2 classes. But IMCA stock and sport mod. Something kind of interesting with this one. He has a little light up there on the top. And a little bit of a history. He wasn't able to get radios back when racing. And so he used that to communicate with his crew chief and his crew, as to when he was getting on the throttle on the track, so they could tell him, okay, try getting in a little bit later, a little bit earlier, and that. So it's actually linked with his throttle, and so if you watch any of the videos, when he's getting in it, that thing will be lit. So you'll have to keep an eye out. When he's getting on it, that thing is lit, so he'll be going pretty good then. And it looks pretty good, both cars matching. So love when you're able to see that kind of thing. And 56 there had a decent little meet with the wall, but I think it's a rookie driver, and kind of have that initial introduction to the wall with rookie driving, so everyone gets it. So now it's done, so now it should be good. Got our dwarf cars again. Looks like that might be one of our lady drivers. Modified, got one under wraps. I think that might be the gold and red 3G car. One of our drivers, Grayson. How have you been?
Good.
How'd you do last night?
Got 3rd.
Hey, there you go.
After I went to the back twice.
Well, and that's pretty good then in that case, going to the back and coming back up to that. So that's pretty good. Got a couple of your friends out here causing trouble?
Yeah, mostly this one. That was a bad one.
So what do you do in your off time? You just hang out with your friends?
Do YouTube.
Really? You have your own video?
Yeah.
What's your channel called?
Grayson VR.
Grayson VR.
I do YouTube content, but I'm going to start doing on-site racing.
Okay.
Because I've got a GoPro.
All right, awesome. So right now it's mainly kind of racing videos mostly?
Not right now, it's mostly VR videos.
Okay.
I'm going to start doing racing videos.
So hey, go check that out. Grayson VR on YouTube.
And then it should have like cars as a profile and 249 subscribers.
All right. Well, go check him out over there and give him a shout out and keep an eye out for him.
Yep.
And he's doing actually amazingly well for, this is only your 2nd year driving? Or racing, I should say.
3rd year now.
3rd year racing? Okay. All right. Awesome, awesome.
Yep.
He'll be 11 later this year, so awesome seeing the young ones, the next generation. You're keeping up with these guys who've been out here for quite a while too, so keep it up, keep practicing. Go check him out on YouTube. So Grayson VR. That's what I love. You got to get them started in it young, because then you don't have to worry about them getting into trouble. Looks like they're going up for the driver's meeting over there. I think that's Neiman. So I got a new body on that one. I think that's Crazy Kate, I believe. Yeah, looks like it. A couple of minis in there. More mods. I love some of the lifts that they have for these things. It's like, God, I wish I had one of those. I love that tool trolley. That's cool with those little tires. I think they're go-kart tires. They look like they could be. That's cool. That's the way you haul your tools around at a dirt track. Is that 22 Mini back there? Punch it, Chewy. Says on the hood. Oh, and he's got a little Chewy in there. So he's got Bumblebee back in there too. That's pretty cool. Got our 56 car out here. I actually saw, I think, both of these. I'm 99% positive 56 was there. I'm pretty sure the 99 was there. But at our local children's fair that we had a few weeks ago, they were there. So that some of the kids can come and check them out. Good way to get a little bit extra advertisement and get the kids involved. Don't know for sure. I'm guessing these might be team cars. Get a good little photo for you guys. There you go. I think the spinner on the thing will be kind of neat. You can see how that looks. He was doing pretty good last night. Doing sport mods. He was doing good and had a little bit of issues, but sometimes that's how it goes. That's why the name of the game is to play your own game. Don't play others. Clean, blacked out. We the People 99. Sport mod. They're clean. Personally, I like black and red personally, but that is clean. That does look good. With that kind of reflective red in there, that looks sharp. IMCA down there in a sport mod. It's kind of chilling out back there in the back. There are a bunch of other races going on this weekend at tracks all over, with it being Memorial Weekend. So I'm gonna come over and check this thing out. Very nice old classic. Saw this when I was walking in. At first I thought it was a dwarf car, because when I was walking in, all I could see was about that. So I thought it might have been a dwarf car in a trailer. That's one of the things I love, though. I love seeing the old vehicles like this still out on the road. To me, that shows pride in the vehicle, that the owner took pride in it. Because it takes more to keep the vehicle running than it does just go out and buy a new one. So that is beautiful. Kenmore team. Kind of want to see them just kind of do a 5-lap duel head to head. Kind of fun. And a couple more down over there. So, like I said, we got a lot of tracks that are running around us, and so with it being a Memorial Day race, there's some tracks. Unfortunately, being California, there's other tracks out of state that are able to pay more, but we're trying. So, but coming and helping and supporting is the best thing everybody can do. Up on the back side of 3 and 4. See a little bit of the crowd starting to come in. Kind of have a little bit of an edge you can walk on up here on the top of the berm. But if you come off, you can go flying, because that's good. I want to say maybe 8 to 10 feet below from where the tires are there, to where I'm at. You can see the tire there, the small tire. That's kind of marking the left-hand side of the on-ramp. And then you can see kind of the cleared out path going down. So that's the new staging lane where they're currently going now. So now they can kind of come straight on. The crowd can see them and get in their order as they're going around for that initial lap, so that literally next time they come by, they can go green. So you can kind of see up close what's changed. They got a platform over there so the officials can keep an eye on stuff behind the wall over there. So yeah, that has been the 2-day show for our Time Out Speedway Memorial Day races. 2-day race, 24th to 25th. Should be pretty good. We definitely got more cars tonight, so we'll see how it goes. So until next time, catch you guys later. Keep me shining side up. See ya.